아. 풀었다.
제정신이야?
So now, let's solve this question. It says K is equal to 1,000 times A, and 100 times B, and 80 and C. And capital M is K, and the K is a 4-digit number, and you switch 8 to 6 and 2 to 8. And we're trying to find A and B and C and get the number of A plus B plus C. So basically, let's start with this. This is basic math, and I believe that it is pretty easy. A, B, 8, C. Let's just call K this, because we cannot always write like 1,000 times A plus B times 100 and stuff. So let's just write like this. And what will go on is that M would be A1, B1, 6, C1. The reason why I'm putting these into letter and then 1 is mostly because it can change based on what number they are. So, next, this is another basic thing that we definitely need in order to solve this question. This one is K, as you all know, times 3 will be because this one is so mostly because if M is equal to 3 times K plus 2, it means that M is equal to 3 times K and then 6. So what we can see here is that when we add after it, we will find A1, B1, 6, and then C1, because we added C to the last digit. So basically it means that this one and this one are the same. This one and this one will be the same. And so on. So to basically start with C, since it's the last digit, we can see that 3 times C is like the last digit of 3 times C is equal to C1. So let's find the things that will actually work. If we put 1 in C, it would be 3, so it doesn't make sense. 2, it will be 6, doesn't make sense. 3, it will be 9, it doesn't make sense. 4, it would be 2, and on and on and on until 7. 7 times, oh, you know what, this one's plus 6. So 7 times 3 is 21, and if you add 6, it would be 27. So the last digit of 27 would be 7, which is equal to C1. So basically, we can go to the point, get to the point that C is equal to 7. Next, let's look for B now. So basically, let me write the equation again. A, B, 8, and then we got the result at the last time that C is 7. So let's multiply. This will mean 1, 6, 3B plus 2, and then A1. So this will mean that 3B plus 2 is equal to B1. Let's find the ones that will actually make sense. I hope that you got it. Maybe you can pause the video for a moment. Okay, now I'm going to tell you B can be 2 or B can be 8. So we got 2 digits here, and how are we supposed to decide? So basically, we can decide this we don't have any choice. We need to do both of them. We need to try both of them. So, number 1, let's start with b is equal to 2. This is an assumption. A, 2, 8, 7. And let's get 3 in here, and that would be A1. So that means 3A's last digit is equal to A1. Pause the video. Now, have you got the answer? Basically, A will become 5. So we got these group of digits that might work. So A and B and C might be 5, 2, and 7. And then the second one is that B is 8. So let's make the equation 3A plus 2. So that would mean that 3A plus 2 is equal to A1. Pause the video, and now I will tell you the answer. So A can also be 4, or A can also be 2. So that means we've got 2 answers that can be added. 4, 8, 7, and 2, 8, 7. Now let's check. Until now, from the previous page, we also got 5, 2, 7. Now, the question is that M is a 4-digit number. So all we need to check is if these are all 4-digit numbers. Let's try. 4, 8, 8, 7. And 3, wait a minute. Well, we do not need to do this complicated calculation because it is already a 5-digit number and it will be on and on. So it won't really actually make sense. So now, let's go to the other one, since that we figured out that 487 won't work. 287. 2887 times 3. It's a 4-digit number, right? 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 8. So let's see. 2 should be changed into 8. 8 should be 6. 8 should be 6, and 7. Oh, plus 6, and then it'll become 7. So I guess this works, right? And then, last but not least, we will need to check the last answer of 5, 2, and 7 for each A, B, and C. So let's check. 5, 2, 8, 7 times 3. 1, 2, 6, 2, 8, 1, 5. It is a 5-digit number, which means that it cannot be M. So basically we came to this answer that A is 2, B is 8, and C is 7. Now let's add all of these. This one's 10, this one's 7. Oh, no, just C. So if we add, it'll become 17. So the result is that A and B and C added all up is 17. Now, you got the answer to the pretty complicated math problem. And it took me some time to solve this problem, though it was really fun to finally solve this complicated calculations. So I hope that this video was a little bit educational for you and was pretty exciting for you. Thank you and bye.